Your home is not just a place where you live, it's your sanctuary, and the energy within it plays a huge role in your well-being, prosperity, and happiness. But did you know that certain cleaning mistakes can inadvertently invite bad luck and even attract poverty? Keeping your home clean and well-maintained is not just about appearances, it's also about ensuring that the energy in your space supports your goals, dreams, and abundance. A clean and organized home fosters a positive atmosphere that encourages growth, harmony, and financial success. Here are 10 cleaning mistakes you should avoid to keep negative energy at bay and invite positivity, good luck, and prosperity into your home. 1. Letting dust accumulate in corners. Corners are often forgotten during cleaning, but they are crucial to maintaining good energy in your home. Dust accumulating in corners creates stagnant energy, which can attract negativity and block the flow of prosperity. Stagnant energy in corners can become a breeding ground for negative thoughts and obstacles in your personal and professional life. Regularly clean the corners of each room to ensure the energy remains vibrant and free-flowing. Using a vacuum cleaner or dusting tool to reach every nook and cranny will help keep the positive energy moving freely throughout your space. Also, consider adding a small crystal or plant to the corners to further enhance the positive energy flow and keep it circulating. Keeping the energy vibrant ensures a continuous flow of good fortune and prevents any negative blockages from forming. The more you actively work to keep corners clean, the more you make space for positivity and abundance to flourish in your home. 2. Ignoring clutter under the bed. The space under your bed is directly linked to your subconscious mind. When it's filled with clutter, it can lead to restless sleep and an inability to fully relax. This cluttered energy can block your mental clarity and create obstacles in your financial life. Items stored under the bed can also symbolize unresolved issues that weigh heavily on your mind, leading to stress and anxiety. Keep the area under your bed clean and free of unnecessary items to maintain a good energy flow. By doing so, you'll not only improve your quality of sleep, but also create a more harmonious environment that supports your goals and well-being. Consider using the space under your bed only for items that promote relaxation, such as extra blankets or linens, to ensure that it remains energetically clear and supportive of restful sleep. A clear space under the bed helps foster peaceful dreams and encourages a sense of serenity that supports your personal and financial growth. Your bedroom should be a place of peace, and ensuring there is no clutter beneath your bed helps cultivate that tranquility. 3. Not cleaning your windows. Windows symbolize your perspective and how you view the world. Dirty windows obstruct your vision, both literally and metaphorically, limiting your ability to see opportunities clearly. Keeping your windows clean allows light to enter and invites positivity and clarity into your life, helping you attract prosperity. Clean windows provide a clear view of the world, symbolizing an open mind and a positive outlook. Regularly washing your windows, both inside and out, will ensure that you can see the world in a brighter light, enabling you to recognize and seize opportunities that come your way. Additionally, clean windows allow natural sunlight to enter, which is essential for maintaining a vibrant and uplifting atmosphere in your home. Sunlight is a natural energy booster and helps dispel negative energies, creating a more positive and welcoming environment. Clean, bright windows are like open doors to opportunity, ensuring that nothing stands in the way of your positive intentions. The act of cleaning your windows can also serve as a symbolic practice for clearing your mind, removing doubts, and letting in new possibilities. 4. Allowing dirty dishes to pile up. Leaving dirty dishes in the sink can symbolize unresolved issues and lead to stagnant energy in the kitchen, which is often considered the heart of the home. The kitchen is a place of nourishment, and allowing dirty dishes to accumulate creates an environment of disorder and chaos. This kind of energy can hinder prosperity and abundance, as it reflects neglect and lack of care. Make it a habit to clean dishes promptly to maintain a positive flow of energy in your home. A clean kitchen symbolizes a well-nourished and harmonious household, which in turn invites prosperity and well-being. Consider adding a small ritual of gratitude while washing dishes. Thanking the food and the nourishment it provided can further elevate the positive energy in your kitchen, making it a true center of abundance. Keeping your kitchen clean and organized sets a solid foundation for inviting prosperity into your home. Also, a tidy kitchen supports the energy of abundance by ensuring that the space where you prepare your meals is full of love, care, and attention. 5. Neglecting to clean mirrors. In the reflection, you might see the reflection of your own identity. Mirrors are believed to hold and reflect energy. If they are dirty or streaked, they can reflect negative energy back into your space. Clean mirrors regularly to ensure they reflect positivity and light, which can help amplify the good energy in your home. Mirrors are also symbolic of self-reflection, and dirty mirrors can cloud your ability to see yourself clearly. By keeping mirrors spotless, you allow them to reflect the best version of yourself, which can help you stay focused on your goals and maintain a positive mindset. Placing mirrors strategically, such as near windows to reflect natural light, can also help enhance the brightness and positivity of your space. Ensure that the mirrors reflect beautiful and uplifting scenes, as this can help multiply the positive energy in your home. Clean mirrors create an environment where clarity and self-awareness thrive, leading to better decision-making and attracting positive outcomes. When you take the time to polish mirrors, you invite clarity, helping you better understand yourself and the world around you. 6. Ignoring the entryway. The entryway is the first place that energy enters your home. If it's cluttered or dirty, it can block positive energy from flowing inside and welcoming prosperity. A cluttered entryway can also create a sense of overwhelm and make it difficult for new opportunities to come into your life. Make sure your entryway is clean, clear, and inviting to attract good fortune and positive vibes into your space. Adding a welcoming doormat, some fresh flowers, or even a small plant can enhance the energy of your entryway and make it a beacon for good luck. Consider placing a bowl with coins or a small fountain near the entryway to symbolize abundance and the flow of wealth into your home. Keeping this area well lit and organized will help set the tone for the rest of your space, ensuring that positive energy enters freely and effortlessly. An inviting entryway acts as a magnet for good energy, helping you welcome prosperity into your life with open arms. The entryway sets the stage for the energy in your entire home, so paying attention to its cleanliness and aesthetics is essential for maintaining an overall positive atmosphere. 7. Not sweeping or vacuuming regularly. Dust, dirt, and debris accumulating on your floors can symbolize a lack of attention to your financial matters. Regular sweeping or vacuuming helps to clear out stagnant energy and allows for a fresh, clean environment that invites prosperity. A clean floor symbolizes a solid foundation for wealth and success. Neglecting your floors can create a sense of instability, making it difficult for you to feel grounded and focused. Make it a habit to sweep or vacuum at least once a week to maintain a sense of order and stability in your home, which will, in turn, attract positive energy and financial growth. Consider using a floor cleaner with essential oils like lemon or lavender, as these scents can help uplift the energy in your home and promote feelings of peace and positivity. Keeping your floors clear and clean also symbolizes making way for new opportunities and removing obstacles that may be blocking your path to success. A clean, well-maintained floor is a metaphor for a stable and prosperous foundation in life. A clutter-free, sparkling floor can symbolize clarity in your life, helping you make grounded and well-informed decisions that bring you closer to prosperity. 8. Leaving trash inside the home for too long. Trash represents things you no longer need, and letting it linger inside your home can invite negative energy and stagnation. Allowing trash to accumulate can create an environment that feels heavy and cluttered, blocking the flow of abundance. Make it a point to take out the trash regularly, especially from areas like the kitchen, to ensure that you are consistently removing unwanted energy from your space. The simple act of disposing of trash can be a powerful symbol of letting go of what no longer serves you, making room for new and positive experiences. Consider placing a small sachet of dried herbs such as sage or rosemary at the bottom of your trash can to help neutralize any negative energy and keep the space energetically clean. Regularly emptying the trash and keeping the bins clean can significantly improve the overall energy of your home, making it more conducive to attracting prosperity. Removing clutter and keeping spaces clean symbolizes a commitment to keeping your life open for new blessings. The act of regularly removing trash creates a sense of renewal, signaling that you are ready to welcome fresh, positive opportunities. 9. Overlooking bathroom cleanliness. The bathroom is a space of cleansing and renewal, and if it's neglected, it can become a source of negative energy that affects other areas of your life. A dirty bathroom can symbolize unaddressed issues and create blockages in your personal growth and well-being. Keeping your bathroom clean ensures that the energy in this space is supportive of your overall well-being. Cleanliness here symbolizes the removal of obstacles and a fresh start. Regularly scrubbing surfaces, cleaning mirrors, and ensuring that the space smells fresh will help maintain a positive flow of energy and encourage a sense of renewal and revitalization. Consider adding plants or crystals like clear quartz or amethyst to your bathroom to enhance the cleansing energy. These elements can help absorb any negative vibes and keep the space energetically balanced, ensuring that your bathroom remains a place of rejuvenation and positive transformation. A clean bathroom encourages mental clarity, personal growth, and an enhanced sense of renewal. By keeping your bathroom fresh and organized, you are setting an intention for continuous growth and personal development. Neglecting the stove. In many cultures, the stove is seen as a symbol of prosperity and abundance. A dirty stove can hinder the flow of wealth and opportunities. Food is a source of nourishment, and the stove represents the ability to provide for yourself and your loved ones. Keeping your stove clean ensures that the energy in your kitchen, and by extension, your financial life, remains positive and abundant. Make it a habit to clean the stove after every use to maintain its energy of prosperity. A sparkling stove symbolizes your ability to attract and manifest wealth, ensuring that opportunities for abundance are always cooking in your life. Additionally, consider using each burner regularly, as this is believed to activate different aspects of prosperity. Keeping the stove in good working order and using all the burners symbolizes an even flow of wealth and opportunity in your life. A clean stove serves as a reminder that your resources are always being nourished and renewed, leading to consistent abundance. Maintaining a clean stove symbolizes your ability to continuously nurture and manifest financial growth, keeping prosperity alive in your household. Final thoughts. Maintaining a clean home is not just about hygiene. It's also about cultivating an environment that supports positive energy, growth, and abundance. By avoiding these common cleaning mistakes, you can help ensure that your home is a place where good fortune and prosperity can thrive. The energy in your living space has a direct impact on your mental, emotional, and financial well-being, so taking care of it is essential. Take care of your living space, and it will take care of you in return, bringing blessings and opportunities your way. In addition to keeping your home clean, consider incorporating elements like fresh flowers, essential oils, or calming music to further enhance the positive energy in your space. Small touches like these can make a big difference in creating a welcoming and prosperous environment. Adding elements like wind chimes, salt lamps, or even a small indoor fountain can further enhance the flow of positive energy. If you found this guide helpful and want more tips on creating a positive and prosperous home environment, consider subscribing to our channel. Share your experiences in the comments and let us know how these cleaning tips have helped you improve the energy in your home. May your space be filled with light, love, and endless abundance.